Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got a little cheeky mid-month launch from Madam Glam. These are already on sale, and these are called sand gels. There's just two colours. This is agate and terrazzo, and they're your standard gels. They're still vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free, henna free, all that good stuff. They are, I'd say this one is like a very pale nude pink, and it's got tiny specks of black and white, and it's got the tiniest little gold twinkle in it as well. I'm going to give them a quick swatch anyway. And this one, same thing. This has got like a very pale kind of minty green or a pale sage, and they've got the tiniest gold sparkle in them. They're so unique, and I just think they're really cool. I'm only going to give them a quick swatch because we're going to see what I can do with them. So this first one, agate. Yeah, it's like a very pale nude pink, I'd say. And then it's got tiny little black and white specks. And it's got the teeny weeniest of gold sparkle in it. So these cure for 30 seconds. I always miss that side, don't I? Yeah, these cure for 30 seconds. I'll give them a quick top coat as well, so you can see what they look like top coated. I'll give them a second coat off camera as well. I think these are really cool. So unique. I've seen your standard speckled gel polish and nail varnish in particular at Easter time and stuff, but I've not quite seen anything like these. They're beautiful. Right, I'm going to give them a quick second coat, and I'm going to give them a quick top coat. I'm going to use Madam Glam's. No, I'm not using matte top coat. And I'm not using base coat. Oh my gosh, third time lucky. I'm going to use Madam Glam's top coat. Right, guys, so that's them both swatched. Aren't they unique? Can you see? You can't really see the gold specks, but it does give it a little twinkle. You can definitely see the little gold specks twinkling. I think they're so unique. I really do. Yeah, you can see them little gold specks twinkling, can't you? I think these are really cool. So yeah, these are on sale now. Don't forget, I've got a discount code, guys, always in the description box with the link. That gets you 30% off. So what we're going to do right, I'm going to do 5 tips today. I'm going to give them a quick base coat. So I'm just going to use the one that's got a pink base to it, and I'm going to use Madam Glam's Perfect White and a transfer foil. It's going to be a nice, simple, easy design. So let's give these a quick base coat. I like to base coat my tips. I just feel like gel polish just goes over a base coat a lot better than it does a plain tip. That's for that person that said I'm wasting products. My products, I'll pour them down the sink if I want. Right, so I'm going to start with the white. I'm going to need white on all of these nails. Even the nails that I'm putting this foil on, I'm going to put a white background, so if there's any gaps, they won't be very noticeable. They're all going to be white except this half of the pinky. Right, I'm just going to get this tacky layer off because I'm going to be putting transfer foil on, and you don't want to put transfer foil glue into a tacky layer, so get that tacky layer off. Right, so I'm going to start with the foil. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm just going to put just a nice thin even layer of the foil glue, and then I'm going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Just going to do one nail at a time. Right, so this foil's a bit funny because some of the flowers are going that way, some are going that way, so I'm going to have to try and yeah, we'll do it this way. This is so tricky. Oh gosh, I've only just realised this foil has got straight lines on it, so I'm going to have to try my best to get these straight. Oh, I'm best off doing it upside down. I can see the lines then, can't I? Right, there. I don't think it's straight, guys. I'll try my best. Right, let's see what we got. Oh, that's really pretty. That is really pretty. Right, let's crack on. So I'm just going to put some music on whilst I do the rest of these foils. How cute are they? I really like that foil. Right, let's get these sand gels done. So on these two nails, I'm going to use the sand gels, and I'm going to do a little bit of a fade coming up from the bottom. So I'm just going to paint the bottom half, about bottom third, just a little bit more than a third, and I'm just going to use a little detailer brush, or maybe an ombre brush might be better. I'm not sure. I'm just going to pull some of it up. I've never used anything like this. It's so bizarre. Yeah, I'm just going to initially pull some of it up like this. And then I'm just going to swipe like I do with ombres. And just try and get some of it to fade up the nail. I think we need to pull a little bit more up, don't we? Yeah, I think that's alright, isn't it? I think that's quite cool. Right, I'm going to get that cured and do the same on this one as well. Yeah, I like it.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa. Yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living
Right guys, that's them all cured. I've pulled out some gold striping tape because of the little gold twinkles it's got in this. I thought it'd go really well. So I'm just going to use this to separate the foils. So we'll do this one first. This is really hard for me to get. Keep it under the camera, and I need to be above it, but obviously I can't put my head above it or else I will be blocking the way. Right, is that straight? I think that's straight, isn't it? Is it straight? Yeah. Right, let's get that snipped. And the same with this one. Right, I'm just going to use a little bit of rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to put a couple of rhinestones on this middle nail. I'm going to put my rhinestone glue on, and then I'm going to put my top coat over the top. A little trick one of my subscribers taught me. Doing it this way, you don't have to go around your gems with a top coat. I always top coat my striping tape sideways first, just so it doesn't lift, doesn't drag it up. And then I can go over it like that. Right, let's get some gems. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? I think they're really, really cool actually. Very different to anything I've seen. I love that foil. I wish the flowers on the foil were all in the same direction, because you can't have one the right way up without the next one being that way up. But I really like them. I do. I think they're brilliant. I love the little tiny little gold twinkle. Can you see the little gold twinkle? Yeah, I think they're really, really cool. I really like them. Let me know what you think, guys. Do you like them? So that's the other colour there. That's like a really pale mint green or a sage. Yeah, I think they're really, really unique. I really do. I like them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Links will be in my description box as always. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.